Hi, I'm Ernie with Airvac Systems. This is a 10 horsepower variable speed HydroVayne. I want you to notice the small compact size of a 10 horsepower compressor. Okay, we're going to go ahead and bring the power to the test cell now, and we're going to run the machine. Now what you're going to hear is this machine is going to start, it's going to ramp up, it's going to bring the whole system up to pressure, and then it'll go down to a minimum RPM. Now I'm going to drain some air, I'm going to bleed some air, and it's going to be a little bit noisy, but what I want you to hear is the machine ramp up and down. That's what a variable speed compressor does. The best way to explain it is by example. So here we go. You hear it starting very slowly, coming up to speed. That's the noise you hear from this machine. That's it. You can stand right here and have a conversation. Now as it comes up to pressure, you're going to hear it slow down, run at a minimum RPM, and then it'll shut off. You hear it ramping down. There it is, it's minimum RPM. See the countdown here? It's now at 110, 108, 107 seconds. It's timing down and it'll shut off. The reason it runs at this RPM is if your demand should hit while it's at minimum RPM, rather than shutting off and starting up again, it'll just ramp right back up. Okay, the pressure is dropping. We still have 73 seconds. And I may have to open this valve. There it goes. I don't know if you can hear that because of the noise of the air blowing down, but it's ramped back up. But the reason a variable speed machine works so well is, as it ramps up, it doesn't have that big inrush current that a fixed speed machine will have. It comes up to speed very slowly, runs at whatever RPM it needs to supply the air demand. Then it slows down, runs unloaded, and shuts off. And you'll notice the timer. And it shuts off. A very clean, neat little system, incredibly energy efficient. We pulled a 25 horsepower compressor out of a customer one time. It was a fixed speed HydroVayne. We replaced it with a 25 horsepower HydroVayne, and because it does not have the inrush peaks, his electric bill dropped $1,200 a month. Now he had that machine paid for it. The return on investment was just a few months on that machine. It was a $12,000 machine. He paid for it in 10 months. And the reduction in his electric bill was not because of the reduced cost of running the machine. It was because he didn't have all those peak charges. You know, your electric company, when you get your electric bill, if you notice there are peak charges on there. What that means is after you hit a peak so many times in a specific period, your entire electric bill is billed at that higher cost. So instead of paying 13 cents a kilowatt hour, or 13 and a half, you're going to be up around 18, as high as 21 cents a kilowatt hour. That translates into thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars a year. That's why a variable speed machine is worth the money. Thanks so much for paying attention. I appreciate it. I hope I've shown you everything that you needed to know. Please give me a call at 866-924-7822 and ask for Ernie. Again, that phone number is 866-924-7822. And talk to me, Ernie at Airvac Systems. Thank you so much.